the door for my woman.
That's my brother, the lion himself. Welcome home.
Hi, princess.
You look pretty. Welcome.
Thank you. Your brother have said a lot of things about you.
Really? Oh, come here.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. Welcome. Let's go in.
Mom and dad are inside.
They are inside.
Okay. My dear, so tell us, where are you from?
I'm from Umuparaku village, Your Majesty.
Ah, Umuparaku. Once again, you're welcome to my palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
My son.
Father.
It is said that he who finds a wife finds a good thing. I found a good thing in her.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
And I have no doubt in my mind that you will make a good wife.
By the grace of God, I will, Your Majesty.
So good to hear that.
Brother.
Sister.
I am so happy for you. I am happy of the man you are becoming.
Thank you. It's about time, you know.
Welcome, my dear.
I am filled with joy. Let's go for merriment.
Mama! Oh, Mama, I missed you so much. Look at you! You're looking good. My place. I'm fine, Nana. You're welcome. You're welcome. Hey, Mama, you're looking good. You look good. Mama! Mama, where is Edine?
Oh,
I checked outside. I didn't see her, and she's not here.
she went to the market.
Oh, she wants to cook the delicious meal for us. As if she knew we are coming. Mama.
She'll soon be back.
Good to see you, Mama.
Oh,
water. You want, let me help you.
let's go inside so that I can find you something to drink in. Oh,
Mama.
don't say no.
I actually want to see my people again.
You can do that after, please.
Please, now you have to eat.
Thank you.
Mama, no, Mama.
Nah, let's go inside.
Hey, Annabelle, Mwabo. No.
Lolo.
Iwe.
Now that our son is ready to get married, you have to advise him to do the necessary things, like going to his maternal home to inform them. After that, other things can then follow suit.
Iwe, I will tell him, and I will ensure he does that.
Once again, you are welcome to your maternal home.
Thank you, Grandma.
How is everybody in the palace?
Everyone is fine.
Ah, thank God. And who is this beautiful young woman with you?
Well, Grandma, you see, that's the reason I stopped by. She's the woman I'm planning to marry.
Really? Yes. You want to marry? Oh God, thank you. You want to make me a great grandmother? Yes. Ha! Oh God, I'm happy. I'm so happy. My dear.
Hey.
Hi, you're welcome. What's your name?
My name is Annabelle, ma.
Annabelle. Annabelle, can you tell me about your origin? I mean, where do you come from?
Okay, I'm from Umuparaku village, ma.
Umuparaku?
Yes, ma'am. I'm the daughter of late Mr. Francis Ikekwem.
Late Mr. Francis was your father?
Yes, ma'am.
And Florence is the name of your mother?
Ah, you know my mother? Yes, that's my mother.
Ah. Okay. That is good, that is good. Once again, you're welcome, my daughter. My prince, what do I offer you people?
Anything, Grandma. Anything.
My in-law, you are welcome to my palace. No.
Mama? This one you came without informing us. I hope all is well.
My daughter, you are not wrong. You know our people say that whatever the fowl chases in the rain is of paramount importance to it. So,
we are listening.
Your Majesty, how much do you know the girl that the prince intends to marry?
For now, we don't know much about her.
All we know about her is where she came from, her village.
Your Majesty, I think it's very, very important that we make a proper inquiry so that we don't make mistake.
It is important, actually. It is a necessary part of our tradition in marriage. So I will send Ono to make the inquiries.
Okay. That would be good.
Darling, you're welcome.
Well, drink.
Oh no. Once again, you people are welcome to my house.
Darling.
It is said that a toad does not scamper in daylight for nothing. It is either it's chasing something or something is after it.
Ndoka.
Oh no.
The prince of the land has seen a very beautiful girl in your family.
Oh no. If I may ask, who is this woman you're talking about? Because we have the many in our household.
The daughter of your late brother, Ikekwem.
Oh. Are you talking about Annabelle?
Yes.
Annabelle.
Yes. But there is a problem. The grandfather of Ikekwem, who is the father of Annabelle, and the grandfather of the king share a common ancestry. Which means the prince and Annabelle are relatives. If we go no manga.
Ha! Oh no. Now I remember that our family and the royal household are related.
In that case, the marriage will not hold.
Of course.
Makana we must do something now before it is too late.
Oh no. I have to speak to my late brother's wife and the daughter. Okay. I believe they will understand me. Makana if any word case me so
Kakwamma. Makana eme ngwa emegala adachi.
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
Hi. This is not good at all. Hi.
Bah.
It's not good.
Your Majesty. It is not a good one at all. Bah.
Oh no, we are here at this point. Now that it is clear that they have the same ancestry, where do we go from here? What then do we do?
Your Majesty, I think the right thing to do right now is to stop the prince and Annabelle from getting married to each other. They cannot marry each other. It's impossible.
Right.
Eh?
You're correct. Makada adeje nyeje.
Adeje cha.
Your Majesty.
Oh.
I think it's good that we discover this thing on time. Our in-law should take credit for that. Because if not, it would have been catastrophic.
Yeah, that is.
That is. Hey!
You are my late brother's wife. It is my duty to make sure that nothing goes wrong in this household.
It's true, Nai. Since my husband died, you've been good to us.
The reason I am here is to tell you that the marriage between our daughter and the prince will no longer hold.
I don't understand, Nai. Why?
A few hours ago, the Onowu and the prince's grandmother came to my house, explaining to me how this household and the royal household are related, and I quite agree with them.
How?
The grandfather of your late husband and the grandfather of the king share a common ancestry. In other words, our daughter and the prince are blood relatives.
Man, this is not good. It's not good at all.
But it is even good we find out on time so that we can handle it.
No, I'm not going to go. I will talk to Annabelle when she comes back.
You better do. Makanas na okenya da no. Ewe monobule. My wife, after your discussion with your daughter, try to let me know about it.
No.
I will be on my way now.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. How do I explain this thing to her?
I will not take that.
What is it? She look bothered.
Can you believe Dad is being negative on my decision to marry Annabelle?
Why?
I don't know, because of one stupid and fetish tradition. I will not let that happen. I will never let that happen.
Calm down, okay? I'll talk to them.
Oh, you better do. nonsense. Because of one stupid tradition that our great-great-grandfathers brought. You're trying to... Let no one try that with me. Oh. Let nobody try that with me.
Father. Mother. What is going on? I mean, I just saw Nabike feeling so sad. And he told me that both of you don't want him to get married to Annabelle. Why?
Princess.
Yes, mother.
Can a child ask for fish from his parents and they will give him a snake?
No.
We told your brother the truth and he got angry.
Truth? Mother, what truth are you talking about?
The truth is that Annabelle has the same ancestry with us. Therefore, they can never get married. Nabika cannot marry her.
What?
Yes.
Yes, my child. After proper inquiry, we discovered that we have blood relationship with the woman your brother wants to marry.
Mother, then you are not wrong. It is a sacrilege for one to marry one's blood relative.
Exactly.
No, Nabike must listen to both of you. Oh,
Nsani Ibaramo Omenanani Ibaramo Nsani Ibaramo.
Has he finally agreed? Tell me he has finally agreed.
Nabike, listen to me. Do not allow your emotions take your sense of judgment away. It's quite unfortunate that the woman you chose to marry is our blood relative. You can't marry her. And it's a common idea that one does not marry one's blood relative. One near Adanu, one near.
I see. So you're part of this conspiracy, right? No, you're part of this conspiracy to deny me my joy. To deny me the woman that makes me happy.
Don't get this twisted, bro. There's no conspiracy here. Nabike, listen to the truth. If you marry Annabelle, you will get into a big trouble. A very big one. Listen. You are a young, handsome man. You are royalty. Every girl out there would do anything just to have you. Why not just forget about this Annabelle and, just make another choice. A good one.
Look at you. You are a young, beautiful girl. You are the princess of this kingdom. You are an enemy of progress. And no matter how much you coin your words, my decision to marry Annabelle will never be compromised. Excuse me.
Listen to mother. You have to listen to them. You can't marry her. What's wrong with him?
Sani di baramo. I got
Annabelle.
Oh.
Babes.
Where's your babes? What are you doing here?
Babe, is it me you're talking to like that?
No, I am talking to your ghost. What are you doing here? For days now you have refused to come and see me. Obviously, that old witch, your step-grandmother, has brainwashed you just as she brainwashed my uncle and my mother for you not to get married to me. Sometimes I keep wondering what you are doing around me. What are you doing here?
Why are you sounding like this now? At least you listen to me to know the reason.
Listen to you as what? Eh? So that you can start deceiving me again? Okoya? Sebapwa, leave.
Can you kindly calm down? Take a chill pill. Let me tell you why I haven't come to see you.
You drink a chill pill and get out from here. Leave! I'll put you. Leave. I say go.
That's
go.
White. I'm wearing
go.
white.
Please,
I'm
leave.
wearing white.
No, you're wearing black because I'm blind. That's white you're wearing. Nonsense.
I'm wearing white. Please don't tell me that. Don't tell me that, Mama.
My son. Wait.
Wait for what?
Don't misunderstand me. I'm only acting in good faith. I'm just trying to make sure you do not marry your blood relative.
Which blood relative? No, I'm asking you, Grandma, which blood relative? I've seen you don't want my happiness, right? No, you don't want my happiness. Now listen, Grandma. From today onwards, you cease being my grandma. Mind your business, let me mind my business. Since you don't want my happiness. Since you don't want my happiness, right?
Oh, for your blood relative? Nnabike, mubu nne no kisi otu agwa okwu. Maka na gini eme? Na ncho n'izogo ndi si na owu ka mma. Nsogbu adiro. Ili gibu gini na efe elu ifesia ị ga-emecha fetuo n'ana.
Omenananyi liberamo Nsani liberamo Omenananyi Mweranye mofualo Agagi mahadindu Mweranye mofualo Nsani Diberemo Mama Nana for the marriage Mama You are blood relatives Nana for the marriage You are blood relatives
Nobody will get anything from stopping you from getting it. It is the joy of every parent to watch their children settle down. What we are trying to avoid is the shame, the repercussion that comes with the kind of marriage you want to go into. Son, we cannot allow you marry a blood relative. It's not possible. It is a sacrilege.
I want to be left alone.
All right, son. I'll let you be. But please, think about it.
Annabelle, how are you?
Hmm?
Annabelle, why are you doing this? Why are you treating me this way? My parents are against me, all because of the love I have for you. Why are you adding salt to my injury? I called you for us to talk and just look at what you're saying to me. It's not nice.
Please. So you think you can deceive me with your sweet tongue, Okoya?
Annabelle, do you know I called you for you to lift the burden off my heart? Why are you treating me this way?
Excuse me. Nonsense.
Annabelle.
Baby. Why is everybody against our relationship? Why?
It's obvious they are jealous.
Right.
Of course, I mean, they know that we are going to be the sweetest couple ever seen. So they are fighting. All means to bring us down, started from, bringing up stupid and fetish tradition. But we must not relent in what we believe in. We must not relent in loving each other. Okay?
Right.
No matter what, I will never stop loving you.
Thank you, baby. Anyways, my mind is highly made up to live with you for the rest of my life.
That's my girl.
And no power on earth can stop me.
Same here. I promise to love you every now and then.
I love you, baby.
I love you more. Can you do me a favor?
What is it, baby? Anything.
Can you stay with me a little longer?
Oh, I would love to stay, but my mother, she'll be looking for me. Don't worry, I'll come back for you.
You don't want to stay, Mom.
I love to, but my mom. Okay? Don't miss me too much. I'll be back.
Okay. Guards! Hi, Prince. Take this key. Don't drop my woman. Baby.
Don't miss me too much.
Okay.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, baby.
Hold it right there.
Annabelle, you are no longer welcome in this palace. So I don't want to ever see you in this palace again.
Are you out of your mind? What's the meaning of this rubbish?
Get out!
Annabelle! Annabelle!
Get out!
Baby! Are you out of your mind? Why would you talk to my fiancé like that?
I don't want to ever see her in this palace again!
And who the hell are you to give such order?
I said so. You can't do that, kid, bro.
Nsani divaramo Omenanani divaramo.
Okay. I have to report to our parents before taking action.
You've been pacing around here, angry. What's your problem?
Why is everyone treating me like an outcast? Why is everyone disrespecting me? Am I no longer the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom?
My son, you are the heir apparent to the kingdom. There is no controversy about that. Is anybody contesting that with you?
Of course, my sister just did. After spending quality time with my woman, the girl I want to marry, I ordered the palace guard to drive her home in one of the cars. Then all of a sudden, my sister came out from nowhere and ordered my woman, my fiancé, out of the car. As if that was not enough, she even told her never to step her feet in this palace. Why would she do that?
It's okay. It's okay.
How brazen! No, is that not disrespecting?
It is okay. Huh? So
how can she embarrass me like that?
Son, it's okay. So, you brought a new bride and you did not deem it wise to introduce her to us.
Oh.
Well, I am happy for you.
Good.
So where is your new bride from?
Mom, what are you saying? There's no new bride. You already know her. It's Annabelle. She ordered Annabelle out of the car.
You are still seeing that girl? And you have the guts to stand before us and tell us what your sister did to her? If I had set my eyes on her, I would have done the worst. I can see you have no sense. You are running crazy. Get out of my presence. I said get out! You have no sense again in you.
Well, it's high time.
You are running crazy. Get out!
High time to stop disrespect.
Why is this okay?
Get out! Just imagine.
It's okay. Just calm down, please. It's youthful exuberance.
Youthful exuberance, you say? Which youthful exuberance? I was sometime like him. I wasn't that stupid.
My king, individual differences. Just calm down. Please.
You called me Grandma.
Yes, my daughter. I want you to go to the palace. Tell the prince that I want to see him with the woman he says he wants to marry. Eh? But that will be when you must have done with what you are doing. Eh?
Alright, Grandma.
Ifendu, please get me a glass of water. Hmm?
Alright, Grandma. Grandma.
Hello?
Thank you.
Okay, I'll go back.
Alright, Grandma. Hey.
You know we want the best for you. It will be dangerous for the two of you to get married because you are blood relatives. And this type of issue has made so many people useless, such as premature death and childlessness. Huh?
So, Grandma, you invited us here to talk us out from getting married, okay?
I wonder.
Now, all these your talks and advices too.
My son, calm down. Oyimu, akara m ịgwa gị bụ ajọ oyi, mana oyimu agwara nga agwa bụkwa na ezigbote oyi. It will be dangerous for the both of you to get married. And this type of marriage is associated with a lot of calamities and sorrow, such as premature death and childlessness. Even if a child is born, that child will end up an imbecile.
Ne, this is a mere superstition, and we do not believe in it.
My daughter, you are wrong. Very, very wrong. And for the benefit of doubt, listen to my story.
Brother, there is something I want to tell you. Okay? I wish to inform you that I found my lost rope. Wow. The woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
That's a good one. But you must bring her home if you're really serious.
Yes, I will do that. Just wanted to inform you first before doing that.
Okay. You did well, my brother.
This is the woman I've been telling you about. The lost river I've been searching for. The woman I want to spend all the days of my life with. My dear, this is my brother.
Your eyes are very sharp. Oh, yeah. Okay, welcome. Welcome to our home. So, what's your name?
I am Yoma.
Wow, Yoma indeed. Where are you from?
I'm from Umweze, family of Obinta.
Umweze, Obinta. Is your father the one that stays in the north?
Yes, exactly.
Is your father aware of your relationship with my brother? I mean, does he know my brother?
Not too much, but I told him over the phone, so he gave his consent.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. No problem. We'll get back to you, my dear.
Thank you.
It's alright. Thank you very much, man. And I will have to see her off now.
No problem.
Thank you.
Alright. Isn't that my brother?
One day.
I want to let you know it's not possible for you to marry that girl.
Why? This girl is a good girl from a good home. She's virtuous. She has a good attitude. I mean, she's a wife material. If she becomes my wife, I tell you, both of us will have reasons to smile.
My reason is far beyond the point you just made. It's not all about attitude or beauty. After all, no woman is perfect.
Then what is the matter?
This family is related to us.
What?
Our great-grandfather was a blood brother to her great-grandmother. You and I know that it is a sacrilege for one to marry a blood relative.
Where did you get this from? And how come I was not aware of this all this while?
You were not aware because it's a far relation. And I want to let you know it was our father, our late father, that told me this, because I used to stay close to him all the time.
Here! When are you by any means telling me not to marry Ihoma? Are you? The joy of my heart, the love of my life. Are you?
Izuna, my brother, I know how it feels for one to let go of the woman he loves. But do not let your emotions control you. Okay, if you insist and marry this girl, lots and lots of trouble will come your way.
Spare me that crowd. Spare me that cock and bull story.
Izuna, do not underrate the strength of this reality.
Reality or no reality, I must marry Ihoma. Full stop! Nonsense!
Agwanti, wanti anohi, why ebulisi? Nti sorry. Okay.
Ihoma, my daughter, you made a very wrong choice. Izuna is your blood relative, and you cannot marry him. Makana one nada no one near.
Mother, Izuna loves me, and I love him too. Mother, Izuna is the love of my life. Mother, if I understand marriage very well, it's about happiness, right? Izuna is the only man that gives me that happiness a woman desires.
My daughter, you are only but a child that knows little or nothing about the ways of traditions. Ihoma, have you ever seen or heard that a brother marries a sister? Ihoma, a stubborn grasshopper always ends up in the belly of a bird. The ear that refuses to listen, when the head is cut off, it follows. My daughter, you are a young and beautiful girl with a heart of gold. In fact, no man in his right senses will walk past you without taking a backward glance. Ihoma, because you know, forget about Izuna. He is your blood relative, and that is why you cannot marry him.
I can marry Izuna. What's the point explaining to you? You don't understand me. No one will ever understand me.
Ihoma, where are you going to? Ihoma, come back here. Ihoma. Ihoma. Okay. Let me see Izuna and his people into this compound. Cameraman. Okay, no. Ihoma. Okay.
I heard your daughter's voice arguing with you. What is the matter?
Nani Ihoma is getting very stupid. She is digging her own pit to fall inside.
How do you mean?
I was explaining to Ihoma that she's a blood relative to Izuna and cannot marry him. And she was telling me that she's in love with Izuna. I must marry Izuna and no one else. Now, can you imagine?
Does she want to die?
I don't know for her.
Does she know the implication and evil surrounding such marriage you want to enter into? She's supposed to even appease the gods for having a relationship with her blood relative. Children of nowadays.
Nah, I am troubled. Ihoma is really digging her own grave.
Is your husband aware of this?
Yes. I've sent a message across to him. And he seriously kicked against this marriage.
And who does Ihoma think that will give her out in marriage when your husband is not in support?
Nah, I don't know. Ihoma will not kill me in this house. She wants to bring shame and disgrace to this household. I will not allow her.
It won't happen.
Chacha.
Calm down, my wife. It won't happen. Not when I'm alive. Calm down.
You look worried. Is anything the matter?
Maybe. I'm bothered.
What is it? Speak to me in all ears.
My mother doesn't want to see us together.
I know. Same here. My brother is hell-bent in putting us asunder. But don't worry. Nothing can ever put us apart.
Obin,
Obin.
are you sure?
Yes.
Obin, my heart beats faster. Anytime I remember I might lose you. I don't ever want us to go apart, please.
Don't worry. Put your worry at rest. You're not going to lose me. Listen. Even in the midst of darkness, my love for you glitters like the starry stars of the night. Like an immortal, my love for you can never die.
Obin, look around. Like the leaves of the earth, my love for you is evergreen. It's always green no matter the season. Obin, I love you.
In our journey of love, I am going to break the record of love. I will continue to love you like no man has ever done. You are my vow. This is my vow.
Obin, I love you. I love you.
Oh my God. One day. What's up with you?
This one you are calling me, hope all is well.
One, all is well, all is well. And please, I want to let you know that I am now ready to go and pay the bride price of my wife-to-be.
And who is this your wife-to-be? Have I seen her before? Why not go and bring her so that I will see her before going to pay her bride price?
But I've already brought her home now. You've seen her.
Wait, I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Are you still talking about the girl you brought home the other time?
Ihoma now. Now you remember. Ihoma, no one else now. She's the one. No one else.
Do you know, if not for one thing, I would have said that we are not brothers because you are behaving like an idiot. You are behaving as if you did not suck our mother's breast.
One, why are you talking to me like this? Huh? Why are you sounding like this? For crying out loud, you have been disturbing me all this while to get married. Now I'm ready to get married and you're kicking against it. Why?
I did not tell you to get married to your own sister. After all the warnings and the advice I gave to you, you're still making preparations to get married to your own relative. Since you have decided to bring calamity upon yourself, I have nothing to say. After all, you're a full-grown man. But do not cry when the chips are down.
One, I understand where you're coming from. I can see you are an enemy of progress. I understand the pranks you are playing. Because I did not allow you to sell our land. Now you are trying to frustrate me so that I will not get married. You want me to die childless so that you will inherit our father's property, our father's land. It will not work. It will not work. You think I don't know? The other day you told me that our late father told you that we are related to Ihoma's family. It is not going to work for you. I said it is not going to work for you. Enemy of progress. Enemy of progress, that is what you are. Whether you like it or not, I am going to marry Ihoma.
Bia, Izuchukwu, I have done everything possible. Ask Wana Opanukoburu, Opantichirie. I've said my own, if you like.
Nine. Do you know that after all the warnings, Ihoma and Izuna are still making serious plans for the palm wine career?
Are you sure of what you just said?
Nine, I am very much sure.
Is her father coming back to give her out in marriage?
Not at all. As a matter of fact, my husband is very angry with our daughter.
So how are they going to do it?
I heard that they are planning to go to the Ebenezer's house for the palm wine career.
The Ebenezer the drunk.
If you go there now.
It will happen. It will happen. Not when I'm alive. It will happen.
Hey, Ihoma will not kill you.
Leave me alone. Let me be. Let me be. Leave me alone.
My husband.
Listen to me. I did not get married to you for us to be playing like Romeo and Juliet. I got married to you for you to give me babies. Give me babies. For over 5 years now I got married to you. Not even a single baby in this house. Huh?
Obim, try and understand, please. I'm a woman. I also want to carry my child. Please wait for God.
Which God? Which God are you talking about? Is your God different from the God of other women that give children to their husband? I'm asking you, huh?
Obim, what don't you understand?
Understand what?
Understand the fact that I also want to carry my children.
Give me children! Yamumo! Give me children for crying out loud!
Izu! My husband! What is going on? God, why? Why can't I have my own children? Give me one, just one, I beg you. Give me one. Husband, I made your favorite. Should I bring it here or you want to eat inside?
Listen very good. I am not interested in your food. Give me children. Give me children.
Oh, Obim, why are you treating me like this? Am I God that gives children?
Are you telling me that my God is sleeping? For over years I got married to you. You have not been able to give me a single child. Not even a single miscarriage from you. My mates are almost done making babies. And I'm still struggling to just have one. Ofunna. Ofunna. It's obvious you are cursed.
I'm not cursed. Obim, my great-grandmother gave birth to my grandmother. My grandmother gave birth to my mother. And my mother gave birth to me. Make me a woman, I will give you children.
How dare you call me impotent? Are you crazy? Are you mad? Are you mad? Idiot! One yaga. Barren wife. Give me children. Idiot.
Obim! Obim, he slapped me! Obim, you slapped me! Obim! Get me pregnant, I will give you children. Obim!
me.
Hello? Yeah, okay. Yeah, the blue one. Okay. Okay, just give me like 3 minutes. I'll call you back. Yeah. Uh-huh. Ihoma, this one you're standing before me without saying anything. What's it?
Brother, it's Izuna. Brother, Izuna is treating me like an outcast in my own husband's house. Brother, Izuna beats me every now and then for no reason.
Why?
Because he said I've not been able to give him a child.
So, why are you telling me now? Do I look like God that gives babies? Yeah? Imayebi Sarah Hije Chirakwage came here and started distracting my call. Yes, as I was saying, the blue one and the red one, which one do you prefer?
Brother.
Okay. I think the red one will go. Okay, just check and get back to me. Okay. Do your research and get back to me. Yes. Okay, you can send. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay. Izu, my brother. Ihoma came to me crying, telling me how you beat her always. Why?
When my heart is burning right now. My heart is burning. Am I getting any younger? That girl is a witch. That girl, Amusu. Look at me. My mates are now with so many children. And I'm only struggling to have just one. Just one. For over years, I got married to her. Not even a single child. Not even a cry of a baby in this house. Odimma. One Odimma.
Oyim akame gwagi boy. Man oyim agwangagwa base boy.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Use your tongue and count your teeth.
My husband, I have a suggestion to make. I'm suggesting we could go see a very good doctor to know where our problem is coming from.
Your idea is very good, very nice, a very wonderful idea. I will have said no to that because I know there is nothing wrong with me. I know I'm very strong in bed. And the dogum and 3310. But for the benefit of doubt and to satisfy all righteousness, I will have to go with you.
Thank you. Your food is ready. Should I bring it out so you want to eat later?
I'm not hungry.
Obin, this is our lab test. Stated that we are both fine to make babies. What's wrong? What have we done wrong?
I am totally confused. I feel so shattered. I don't know where to start from. I feel like begin a grave and end it all.
My husband, it's obvious that it's neither you nor my fault. Let's wait on God. Everything will be fine.
One, my heart is so heavy. So heavy.
What is it?
For over the years I got married to my wife, there is no child. We have gone to places. We have gone to hospitals. We have gone for a series of medical tests. And the results said there is nothing wrong with us. We have even gone to different herbalists. We have even gone to white garment churches. Yet there was no solution. I'm confused right now. I'm highly confused.
Izu, my brother, it is good you're witnessing it yourself. I warned you against going into that marriage, but you refused. But wait, how do you think you can get married to your own relative and scale through your own blood?
I think I have made a mistake, and I am sorry about that. I'm very sorry about that. I have really come to you for solution. I need you to give me some pieces of advice. What do I do?
You have to disengage yourself from that marriage. Let Ihoma go. She's not your wife. After she must have gone, you pray to God to give you your own wife. And you will see things falling in place.
Child! Ebuka, Harabala. My heart is burning. No, my heart is burning. My brother asked me to divorce my wife. My wife that took me years. It took me years to win her heart. Instead of my brother to go to my wife and ask her why she cannot give me children, she asked me to divorce her. Odumma.
Izu Ijidalogu. Izu, are you not the same person that told me the other day that you and your wife have gone for medical checkup and the results said that both of you are sound to make babies? Izu again.
That was slip of the tongue. I said that out of confusion.
Izu, you will always be confused. Izu, how can you marry your blood relative and expect her to give you babies? One nona, no one. Izu, Izu, it's time you let Ihoma go and look for her destined husband. Why you look for your destined wife?
I should let my wife go. I should divorce my wife.
Izu, wolo totwa chubego ji nekuchika oneji. Izu, it's time you face the truth for once. For once, face the truth, Izu. Izu, do the right thing. Follow your brother's advice. Izu, I'm tired of this complaining all the time. Next time, if you call me, let it be for business. And the other things, let it not be about you and your wife. Akanika ugom. Na ihe zilezi. Makandoge.
Ihoma. Obim.
Please come.
Okay, I'm coming. Obim. My husband. You're welcome.
Bring that chair and come here. I want to discuss something. Ihoma, I called you out here to tell you that this marriage is over.
Are you joking? How would you say that?
Can't you see that this marriage is not yielding any fruit? It's taking us nowhere.
Obi, you mean you called me out to pick a seat with you, only for you to look straight in my eyes and tell me this same marriage you fought against everyone for, it's over. Obi, did you have anything to drink?
Ioma, I know how it feels. I know how it feels. I know it feels so sad. I feel the same way you feel. But just that our future is at stake here. It's not working. Just go.
Obi, after everything we've gone through together, my husband, let's wait on God. I know how you feel. You're a man.
And what makes you think God is happy with this marriage? Listen, Ioma, I have come to understand that all the advice people have been giving me about this marriage is right. I've come to understand that what my brother has been telling me is correct. One night alone, we made a mistake. Let us correct it. Let us go our separate ways and look for our lost way. There is no way we can go against tradition. It will always tell on us. Just go, oh? It's for our own good.
Obi! Am I dreaming? How do I bear the shame? How do I face my mother? Would she ever forgive me? Where do I start from?
You've done wonderfully well, my brother.
Yes, one.
My dear, what's your name?
My name is Oloma.
Oloma. Which village are you from and who is your father?
I'm from one Eris compound in Umukburu's village.
Wait. One Erin Badaso?
Yes.
He was a very good friend of our late father. A great hunter.
Yes, he was.
No, you are welcome to our humble home.
Thank you.
My brother, you have indeed found a good woman. We will find it a wife. Find it a good thing.
You can say that again and again and again.
My dear, I and my brother will put heads together. Come and see your people so that we can fix a date for the wine kind and traditional marriage. We want to do everything at once.
Wow. Thank you.
Kita kebia now. Kita kebia.
My brother is a very good person.
Yeah.
A very wonderful brother.
I can say.
My wife is in Debo. Please, can you help me call Kechu, your friend, so that we can go to the hospital in his car, please? Okay?
Okay. You know what? I don't have enough airtime on my phone now. I'll rush down to his house. You guys should just be going. Then we'll meet you on the way. Eh? Okay.
He's coming out. He's coming out. He's coming out. My waist. Oh boy.
Okay, we'll be fine, okay? We'll be fine.
My beautiful wife. Oh. You know, I can't stop thanking God for giving me a sweet soul like you.
You can say that again, my husband.
Ah. very soon, you are going to give me a beautiful baby girl.
Hmm?
Yes.
I'll be having a boy.
No. Don't say that. It's going to be a girl.
I disagree. My first child is going to be a son.
That's by the way. Let me tell you something. You know, once you are due for the delivery of this child, I'm going to take you to the best hospital in the city. Yes!
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
There they are going to take proper care of my child.
Thank you.
You know I love you.
I love you more.
Man, your mom. Milianum.
I'm so blessed with you.
I love you.
My brother, what is it? One name. My wife has given birth to a bouncing baby girl. Agadagawan marama. God, thank you.
Thanks be to Chukwu Okike.
Yes.
So how are they doing?
They are doing wonderfully well. They are all hale and hearty. They are fine. One name. God has done wonderfully well for me. God is faithful to me. God is faithful. I will always appreciate him. One name. In my next word, you are going to be my brother. Eh? You're a wonderful brother.
Oh, Grandma. Grandma, you're such a wonderful storyteller.
I tell you.
Don't you think you're wasting your talent being here? I mean, maybe I could link you up to one movie producer that could at least buy this story and develop it.
I tell you.
Maybe like Solar Kitty or something. I could tell him.
I can see you people did not believe my story.
No, we don't.
It's the fact that you can never deny.
Oh, Grandma. Grandma, you're such a wonderful storyteller.
I tell you.
Don't you think you're wasting your talent being here? I mean, maybe I could link you up to one movie producer that could at least buy this story and develop it.
I tell you.
Maybe like Solar Kitty or something. I could tell him.
I can see you people did not believe my story.
No, we don't.
Auntie,
this is my wife Chigozie. I brought her to show you.
Your wife?
Yes, Auntie.
Chigozie. Ikenna, you must be out of your senses. Which wife? Chigozie. Hey! Hello. Ikenna, have you seen nor heard that someone marries his or her blood relatives? Ikenna, I'm asking you, have you? Hey! After all my warnings, you still went ahead and got married to her behind my back, Ikenna. Ikenna, why?
Auntie, excuse me, please. With all due respect, why are you saying this?
It's Jogono. As in yes, Ikenna. Now you listen. I don't want to see both of you in this house. This particular house I'm living in. Both of you can go and manage the other house in the compound. Because I don't want to be contaminated with the curses following you. Did you hear me?
Okay. Don't mind what she's saying. The most important thing is for you to remember what the pastor said. What God have joined together. Let no man, let no auntie put asunder.
Hey.
Please, let's go.
Ikenna. Look at you. Useless man. Can you see them? Hey! Umazikita. Ana go hebu uzodi. Asno imo ya karahama. Ngwana.
I'm so sorry to disturb you this afternoon, but I have a good news for you. Oh yeah. My wife is pregnant.
Your wife is pregnant?
Oh yes.
That's good.
I don't get it. I just told you here now that our wife is pregnant. And all you could say is, that's good.
Point of correction. Ikenna, your wife, not our wife. Did you hear me? You walked in here just to tell me that your wife is pregnant. So, I should be jumping up and down, jubilating that your wife is pregnant. Eh? Ikenna, I was very busy before you came. So when you were through ranting and jubilating that your wife is pregnant or whatever, you can go back to your house. So please, excuse me. Your wife is pregnant.
If you like rant, if you like joke, my wife is pregnant, she's pregnant. It's a good news. I should be happy for myself.
I thought they said she can't get pregnant for getting married to her blood relative.
My sister, you are very right. Maybe they did not make proper inquiry about their origin. Or it could be possible that they are not related. Or even a mistake somewhere.
You are right. Because if they are related, there's no way she will be pregnant.
The girls are wise. Because they behave strange and act in a blatant ways.
You are right. They act mysteriously, but anything can happen.
Let's hope so. Let's hope so. Let me go and call you.
Ogini, why are you breathing like this? What is it? What is pursuing you? Can you be here? Ogini?
Auntie, Ikenna now.
Ikenna?
Yes.
What happened? What is it?
He just had an accident with his wife.
Huh? Yes. Accident?
Yes.
Where?
Along the roadside.
I warned you not to marry that girl. I warned you, but you insisted. I told you that she's your relative, but you insisted I married her. Now look at. What did you gain in all this? Chigoze is now dead. Even the baby is also dead. What is your gain? Now, and now you want to make me your babysitter. Is it fair? What you are doing to me is not fair. What you just did to me is not fair at all. Now look at you, say you're not a cripple.
Hey, Morikem. See just what you have brought upon yourself. If you would have listened to your sister, this thing will not happen to you.
Oh, I know.
Now you lost your wife and unborn child. You are now a cripple. Not only a cripple, you are a pain. Huh? Oh, you can do bonnet in the smoke and walk over Nantishidia. Sorry.
No, I have heard you.
Sorry.
Please don't
Should
get
be
me
okay.
water, oh?
Okay.
Don't get me water.
I'm fine.
I'm going to go.
Yeah.
You want to eat?
No, just water.
Grandma, please, I think I'm tired of all these stories. Just skip all the stories because we are not going to listen to you. Seriously.
Yes, we're not. No, just put your struggle to rest because you see, there's nothing on earth that can stop me and my love, the prince, to get married. Absolutely nothing.
And do not put asunder because he has joined us together.
You can say that again.
Grandma, what is wrong with the prince? Why is he refusing the voice of truth? Do they want to destroy their future? Everyone knows that. It is a sacrilege for one to marry one's relative. Eh?
A lot of them have suffered the repercussion of such marriage. Some think that by making sacrifices to the gods with white goat or white fowl, it will save them from the repercussion. But at the end, it will fail them. The people in the city always fall victim of this type of marriage because there is no one to put them through. Some couples get married without tracing their ancestry. This is one of the major causes of barrenness and so many unexplained troubles in our marriages today. My dear, it is very, very important that couples make a proper inquiries of their ancestral origin before getting married. Very, very important. Very, very important.
Yes, Grandma, you have spoken well. Meanwhile, you need to talk more sense into their heads so that they won't get into trouble.
I will try my best. I can only take the horse to the stream, but I can't force it to drink water. I can't.
All people. Mother, please, I want you to stand by me. Please. Please, forget about this tradition and allow me to marry the prince. Please, Mother, he's the only one I love. Please.
Annabelle, tradition is not the only force involved in this. Nature and the law of karma have their own role to play. My daughter, why are you playing with your future because of a mere love and affection? The prince is not the only man in this world that can be attracted to you. Annabelle, just look at yourself. My daughter, you are beautiful, very beautiful. You're a good cook. You're a graduate. And above all, you have a good character. Show me that man that will come close to you and the man will not cherish you.
Mother, it is only the prince that I love. Mama, if you do not allow me marry the prince, suicide will be the only option.
Annabelle,
Annabelle, you forgot getting married to the prince. Your blood relation is more suicidal. Annabelle, use your senses if you still have one.
Have I offended anyone in this palace before?
My son.
Have I been a bad egg to this family? Have I not been a good son?
You have been.
So why does everyone hate me? Why does everyone hate my fiancé this much? Why?
No one hates you. We all love you. Just that the truth is bitter. But as your parents, we will always tell you the truth, no matter how bitter it may be. Your grandfather ascended the throne. Your father succeeded him. Your father got married to me, and I gave birth to you. If those men made the wrong choices, things wouldn't have been as smooth it has been for them. Why do you want to put your hand in the fire? Why do you want to kill yourself? It's only a tree that knows that it will be cut down and it still stands. Why would you want to go into a marriage that will be so fruitless? Why would you want to go into a marriage that will only bring evil on your path? Why? Do you think my stepmother at her age would invite you over to cook up stories? Do you think so?
Mother, if the stories told by my step-grandmother are real, I don't believe it to be applicable to us. I believe setting our mind at the right place and doing what works for us. There is no way getting married to Annabelle will cause me trouble. Such evil will never trail my path. Mother, I love this girl. Please, help me talk to Father. Convince him to give him his blessings.
No way! That won't be possible. You will not marry Annabelle.
Mom, you see why I said everyone hates me? Why would she interrupt our discussion? Was I talking to you?
Listen, no one hates you. We all love and want the best for you. Please. Can we talk? Mother, please excuse us. Please.
Mother, please talk to Father.
Nabike, my brother, why are you doing this to yourself? Why? Why do you want to bring doom upon yourself? Have you thought of why everyone is against you marrying Annabelle? Have you? I guess no. Listen, you are not a commoner. You are royalty. To heir to the throne. Your choice of woman will speak of your tomorrow. Do you know what it means to ascend the throne without a child to boast of? Do you? Listen, I am only but a woman. Tomorrow I will get married. And it will be disheartening to know that royalty left this noble household because of your inability to provide a son to succeed you. Please, just have a rethink. Think about this. Think about your generation. I don't know if I should scream, if I should cry, so that you can understand.
It's okay, sister. You asked me to listen to you and I just did. I didn't expect you to start crying. It's okay. It's okay. I've heard all you said. It's alright. It's okay.
The brilliant sunshine of our kingdom. It is an honor to see you in my father's compound. I pray that your footstep into my father's compound brings good tidings. Good day, my beautiful princess.
It shall be well with you. Indeed, my presence brings to you good tidings. Okay.
My princess.
How would you feel to know that royalty is at your threshold?
Royalty? It feels good, my princess. It's a good story to take back home.
I have brought royalty to your doorstep.
My princess, please, why not take a seat? Do you like it?
Of course, I love it.
Thank you, my princess. Thank you.
here you are, brother.
Good day, my friends.
Come. This is my very good friend, Okay? This is my one and only brother, Prince Nabike One.
Good day, my prince.
Yeah, good day.
Yeah, I think we need a seat. Thank you. Sit. I think I'll be going inside. I'll join you guys later.
Okay.
Bro. Bro, look at me now.
So, my friends, how are you doing?
Fine. Hello, baby. Oh, no. I'm just chilling, almost alone. Oh, sure. I'll be right there. Right there. You want me to come now? Okay, sure. Let me come there then. Okay.
Ogechi, my friend. I want you to get married to my brother, Prince Nabike.
My princess, the prince is every woman's dream. But the issue here is that the prince is already engaged to Annabelle. And everyone knows that. Unless the prince wants to marry two wives at the same time.
No, not at all. Listen, my brother cannot marry Annabelle because we are blood relatives. Yes. So this whole thing won't work out between them. So dear, be rest assured you are going to be the next queen of this kingdom.
Thank you, my princess.
Thank you, my princess. You're welcome. Meanwhile, I am going to give you some money. I want you to change your wardrobe. I want you to look gorgeous when coming to see my brother. Okay?
Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome. Thank you. So, Derek, tell me, how did it go?
My princess, I'm not happy. The prince insulted me.
The prince insulted you?
Yes, my queen. My princess, the prince insulted me. I have never been humiliated this way in my whole life.
My brother humiliated you?
How? My princess, he snubbed me. He didn't even notice me. All of a sudden, he started making call
with a lady whom I suspected to be Annabelle.
Annabelle?
Yes, my princess. He walked out on me as if I was a piece of trash.
Okay. I'm so sorry for the embarrassment. Okay? Please, don't be discouraged. You just do this for me. I promise, I am going to fix this. Okay? Let me take you home.
Okay.
Okay, my friend. Like I said, do not worry. I will take care of everything. See, you have a special place in the palace. My brother is all yours. So do not worry, okay?
Thank you, my princess.
It's okay.
Thank you for everything.
It's okay, I will leave now. Be good, okay?
Very well.
Sister, you're back. How did you?
Please, I'm so tired. Let's go inside. I will just you later.
What's the meaning of this rubbish?
Annabelle, get your ass out of this house right now! What is the meaning of this? What? Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Oh, you wanted to stop me? You must be stupid! Useless princess! Princess my food! Go and get married to your own husband! What is it? Deal with her! Deal with her! Deal with her! Nonsense! Leave me alone!
Drop this rubbish out of here!
Stupid people! Diala! Nonsense! Abite, don't worry! You will meet them!
Okay,
home to meet you.
Cool down. Calm down. My daughter, tell me, what is the problem?
Father.
Just calm down.
Father, is it not that stupid Annabelle and Nabike?
What about them?
Do you know I can beat you black and blue?
What is the problem? Nabika, what is
Do you know I can beat you black and blue?
Do you know I can deal with you? I supposed to you that
enough of this rubbish!
I was born before you were conceived.
That's your elder sister.
That sister, my foot. Dad, this girl had the guts to slap my woman in my presence.
Nabika, don't try me.
How brazen.
Oh. Are you telling me that you are still hooking up with that girl? Annabelle. After I've warned you. Nabike, I cannot stay in this palace and evil will happen under my nose. It cannot happen.
Oh, is that what you have to say?
That's all I have to say.
You're taking sides now, right?
Taking off sides.
No, you're taking sides, father.
Get out of my presence. I say, get out. I say, get out.
Get out! You've forgotten how I used to beat you.
This is not the end. I will deal with you. I will slap you and you will change color.
Where are you gonna?
Fool.
What
are you doing here?
here?
What are you doing here like a robot? You can't even do nothing. Magal.
Nabike, what's your problem? Man on a here. I will never allow evil to happen in my palace.
History is there before we ever. Tradition is
Your Highness.
Yes.
I saw Nabi, looking so disgruntled. What happened? Did you tell him anything?
Talk sense into your son's head. I don't want to see him with that Annabelle of a girl again. If I do, or hear that they are still together, I will do something very nasty.
My king, please calm down. Please, just give him a little time and he will come back to his senses. Please.
Adama, let's go inside. Kaibanina. Nabike ga leave.
How's everyone?
Fine, this way.
My dear, Your Majesty, once again you are welcome to my palace.
It is my pleasure, Your Majesty.
How is your father doing?
Oh, he is doing great.
You are indeed the carbon copy of your father.
Yes, he is. Afunwelo Tanna. Don't forget to extend my greetings to your father when you get home.
I will, Your Majesty.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Baby,
Yes.
I want us to hasten up our marriage plans.
Really?
Oh yes.
But why are you in a hurry?
You see, my younger brother is ready to get married.
Oh.
And before he gets married, I should have settled down. I mean, we should have settled down. So, to make way for him. You get the point?
Baby, please. Just give me a little time. I have to fix some things in the palace.
A little time
Yeah.
to fix things in the palace? How? I don't understand.
See, my brother is about to make a grave mistake of his life. He wants to get married to the wrong person, our blood relative. And I can't just sit back and watch that happen. No.
Wait, are you saying your brother is still hell-bent to go into such marriage?
Yes, he is. Even when the repercussions and evil associated with such marriage has been made known to him, he still wants to go ahead.
No. This is getting out of hand. Very, very serious. And I think you people need to do something very fast.
That is what we've been battling in this palace. There is tension and pressure everywhere. Just try to understand me, okay?
Of course, I understand. You know I love you so much. And I will do anything to make you happy. So you have my time. Okay? Any day, anytime.
Thank you for your understanding.
That's okay. Let's for my baby.
For your shares. Yeah.
Please, I don't want you to overstress yourself over this issue. Okay?
I promise.
I'll be calling you from time to check on you.
Okay.
I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you more. Drive safely, okay?
I will.
No speeding.
Of course not.
My love.
I was trying to drive in and then what's the meaning of this?
My prince, this thing was crossed by the members of this family. It means your presence is no longer needed here. And the marriage between you and Annabelle can no longer hold. My prince, I'm sorry. With all due respect, don't bother coming back here. Oh, Biko.
Why would they decide to do such a thing? You shouldn't have allowed that.
Hey. Hold it right there, you hold it. Amabel, this one you're talking like this. What happened? Listen, I came here to warn you to stop adversing in where you did not sow. Do you hear me? How will you understand? I don't understand. You pretender. Oh, you're so daft and so dumb that you don't understand what I'm saying. Ngwanu, let me enlighten you. Let me make it clear to you. Stay away from the prince. He is my man. Stay away from him. Okay? If I see you anywhere close to him, you will regret the day you were born. Stupid gold digger. You don't understand. I don't want to come here and repeat myself again. Nonsense. You want to contest with me? Try me.
This is scary to you. Madagano one day I know. Don't let emotion control you. Don't let emotion control you. Madagano one day.
Grandma, I'm done cooking the food.
Oh, that's okay. You go and dish the food out.
Okay, Grandma. That reminds me, Grandma. I heard Annabelle went to Oge's house, threatening to deal with her if she does not leave Prince Nnabike alone.
Oh my God. What is wrong with that Annabelle? Is she daft? Oh. So after all my advice to them, she is still hell-bent in getting married to Prince Nnabike. Oh God. This is madness.
Big madness. Grandma, something needs to be done before they land themselves into big trouble.
What have I not done? Eh? Will you kill myself for them? Oh God. These children are treading on a dangerous ground. Oh my God. I think I have to go to the palace. You go and dish out the food.
Sorry, Grandma.
What's wrong with you, Annabelle? Why did you confront that innocent girl?
Oh, Nnabike, you are boiling at me because of that cheap girl. Huh? That cheap girl that has no value. If she has value, she'll not be tossed around by your sister.
Can you just keep quiet? Whether she has value or not, you have no right to confront her.
Oh. I said it. I said it. You have fallen in love with her, yeah? Yes, you have. Nnabike, you are cheap. Yes, you are a cheap person. Let me tell you, you have failed. Look at you. Your sister brought a girl for you and you fell for her. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Please excuse me.
Where do you think you're going to?
Let me be.
Well, I cannot let you be because you are all I have. What is your problem, darling? I'm only saying you shouldn't confront her. You've got me, and what matters is that I love you. Confronting her is not necessary. Can you stop? You have no right to confront her. Because you're a queen. Queens don't confront people, right? Okay. Let's go. Don't say anything more. Let's go. Come.
I don't just want you to.
No, you don't have.
mmadụ mere unu ife ọ chọkwara unu ọnwụ gobe unu ji ekunu wee na-achọka ga-afụzi n'isi
What rubbish! What nonsense! You mean to tell me that Annabelle confronted and threatened not to spare you if she sees you anywhere close to my brother?
Or close to the palace?
Annabelle is chewing more than she can swallow. Just a snap of my fingers, she's gone. Annabelle, you're tempting my patience and I don't like it. Ogechi.
Yes, my princess.
Don't worry. Nothing will happen to you. As long as I am concerned, you are protected. Okay?
Thank you, my princess.
Thank you, my princess.
Just go home. Go home and rest.
Thank you, my
princess. You're welcome. Go home. Like I said, nothing will happen to you nor your sister.
Thank you, my princess.
Alright, take care.
How could she? How could she even think of confronting a fellow woman? Who is she to threaten? Who is that girl, by the way? Princess.
Mother.
Why would you even bring somebody to your brother without my knowledge?
Mother, that was the mistake I made. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I know you did it in good faith. You did it for the good of the family. It's okay. How much of that girl in question do you know?
Mother, I know her very well. She's a good girl from a good family. In fact, Mother, her family history is impeccable. Now you know me. There's no way I'll bring a girl that I don't have confidence in for my brother. It's not possible.
Where's Nabig?
I don't know.
Not quite long. Cats from the palace came here looking for you.
The cats came looking for me?
Yes.
Why?
They said the king summoned you to the palace.
The king summoned me?
Yes.
What for?
I don't know. You're asking me as if I know.
I'm suspecting it's because of Annabelle and the prince. I want Annabelle to stay away from the prince.
So you people are here. I was looking for you inside. What is happening? Why are your faces like this?
Annabelle, you see what you cost.
What did I do, Mama?
What did you do? Annabelle, because of your stupidity and involvement with the prince, the king summoned me to the palace.
Is that why you are worried? Eh? You should not be worried now, Mama. Eh? I believe it's for good. Who knows? You might want to reconcile I and the prince. Hey! Mama, don't bother yourself. Go. Go.
Okay, for the one that
Anyway, let me go to the palace and come back. If it's what I'm thinking. You see this house? It will not contain us.
It's not what you are thinking, Mama.
Don't worry.
Hey! There is someone, my mother. I told you it will turn out well. We are reconciling.
You are just so confused.
Nemo, don't be hungry.
Hey.
Who is that?
It's me.
Who are you looking for?
Please, I want to see the king.
Let me inform him that you are here. Good day, Your Majesty. There's a woman at the gate that wants to see you.
Let her in.
Yes, Your Majesty. You can come in.
Florence.
Your Highness.
Florence.
Your Highness.
I am being lenient with you because of who you are. Are you not aware that our customs and nature forbid one marrying his or her relation?
Yes, Your Highness, I do.
Why must your daughter threaten her fellow lady because she sees her around my son?
Your Highness, I wasn't aware of this. Please, on her behalf, I plead for mercy. Please, Your Highness.
Get up.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Caution your daughter. Let her be careful with her utterances. If anything happens to that girl, she will be held responsible.
Your Highness, I will talk to her. Please, forgive her, please.
You can go.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Where is that stupid girl? Where is that stupid girl? Annabelle! Annabelle! Why are you foolish and stupid at the same time? Annabelle! How could you, Annabelle, confront an innocent girl that has nothing to do with you? Annabelle! You even threatened to kill her if she does not leave the place for you. Hi! Annabelle, even already Maggie, I'm ashamed of you! You should be very, very ashamed of yourself! Annabelle! Annabelle! Okwafagi! What makes you think the priest belongs to you? Annabelle,
In case you don't know, let me tell you this. The little girl you threatened is the perfect match for the prince. Now, let me warn you for the last time. If this rubbish repeats, Annabelle, I'm your mother. I will cut you down. Try this rubbish next time. Nonsense.
Hi. I wish you can just yield to my advice. Quit the struggle so you can have peace of mind.
I should heed to your advice as what? As what? Chief advisor. Listen, let me tell you what you do not understand. I and the prince, my prince, we have made up our mind to get married.
Get married?
And get
when
married.
You both are aware you are blood relatives.
My friend, shut up if you don't know what to say. Blood relative, my friend.
Hey! Oh, my sister is insane. Hey!
Good day.
My prince, I'm here to see you.
You're here to see me.
Yes, my prince.
I thought we agreed on something. Wow. You're still here to see me.
Yes, my prince.
Okay. All right.
You look good today, my friends.
Thank you. And you look so stupid. For real. Are you out of your mind? How many times will I tell you to leave me alone? I have a woman, for crying out loud. Is it hard for you to understand? No, is it hard for you to get that to your greasy skull? What is your problem? Is it until I disgrace you publicly? Is that when you respect yourself? Okay, fine. Try this next time. This will be little compared to what I'll do to you. You came to see me. My love.
Sorry, what did you just call me?
I was calling you on my way here. You didn't take the calls. Were you sleeping?
You were calling me on your way here. As what? Huh? As my father or what? Huh? Listen, do you think you can deceive me forever? Is that what you think?
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? Okay, hold on. I will tell you what I'm talking about. Take a look at this.
What?
Is that not you? Or is it your shadow?
Did you watch the video?
Hey, please, save your
Did you finish the video?
I don't care! Save your explanation and leave. Go!
Man, look, what is wrong with you? Did you finish? At least watch the video today.
Leave! Nonsense. You're waiting for me as my father.
Annabelle! What's this now? What's the meaning of this? Annabelle! My name is at work. Why would you allow...
Yes, I'm fine. I'm okay. Jesus!
One more away from me, I'll kill you.
What? Don't move. You may let me for be a power. We're going to be a power beyond the child. Now! Move it!
Move your hands.
Let me go be a power. Now, be a power beyond the child. Let's go!
My sister!
Who is she?
Mother, good day, Your Majesty.
Who is she?
Her name is Ekene. She's Ogechi's younger sister.
Okay. What is wrong with you?
Your Majesty, some minutes ago, a group of armed men came into our compound and took my sister away.
What? Oh. Ogechi?
Yes.
Wow.
Did you recognize their faces?
No, their faces were unfamiliar.
Alright, just calm down. I'll tell the king now, okay?
Want to know who sent us? Right, very soon. I mean very, very soon. The person will arrive.
You need some water, thirsty.
You need some water, you're thirsty. We have water.
Thank you.
You want to drink some water? I don't need water.
I don't want to drink again. I don't want to drink again.
What? Remember, we're still working on that instruction.
You could have allowed me to give her water.
Good day, my princess.
Good day. I came to see Annabelle.
She's not around.
Did she tell you where she was going to?
No, she didn't. She left in the morning.
It's okay.
My princess. Hope there's no problem.
This is the fact that you can never deny.
Ezinne,
Mama,
you're still packing the firewood.
I'm almost through.
Almost through since then. How can is it? Eh? Please do fast. Come and make the dinner. Then I change it.
I'm coming. Oh. Mama. Mama, my instinct is telling me that something is wrong somewhere.
As in, like what?
A few hours ago, the princess came looking for Annabelle. And when I was coming back from the market, I saw the prince. He was asking me about Annabelle. Mama, something is wrong.
Isn't it? The prince always come here looking for Annabelle. Even after we warned him not to enter this compound again. So what are you saying?
Mama, you may be right, I know. But I'm looking at the time frame at which the prince and the princess came looking for Annabelle.
Okay. Listen, call her on the phone. Let's know where she is.
Mama, I've called her severally. She's not picking her calls.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I hope she's not in any kind of trouble. Well,
I hope so.
Please, let's go.
Agbọghọ. Nnukwu agbọghọ. Ejesigo bata. Where have you been since morning, Annabelle?
Mama, I went to fix my phone. My phone was bad. I fixed it, Mama. Look at it. It's now working.
Why is the princess looking for you?
The princess came here to look for me. Came here?
You went there.
You're right.
Well,
what happened? My dear, My phone was bad. I went to fix it. Yes, it's working.
It's okay now.
Mama said the princess came here to look for me. Is it true?
Yes, she came looking for you. I was even worried. Hope there's no problem.
She came into this compound?
Yes. Okay, don't worry. Come,
Don't worry, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Are you serious? The princess came here to look for me?
Very serious.
Hello? Yes, I can hear you. Are you sure? You saw her? With your 2 eyes? Thank you very much. I'll get back to you. Thank you. I am not here to exchange feelings with you. Where is your sister? Where is Annabelle?
She's inside. Call her.
Greetings, my princess.
Annabelle. Annabelle, I want you to stay off my path. Yet you wouldn't listen.
And what's the meaning of that?
Where are you keeping Ogechi?
I don't understand.
Annabelle, you adopted Ogechi. You are holding her captive to satisfy your whims. But trust me, you failed.
With all due respect, my princess, be very careful with what you accuse me of, because I know nothing of this accusation. Be very careful!
Annabelle, did you just raise your voice at me? Did you do that?
I'm sorry.
Better. Now listen, no matter how much you pretend or try to cover your evil, remember that truth will always prevail. I am giving you a few hours to release that innocent girl. Otherwise, Annabelle, you won't be able to carry the weight of my anger. A few hours.
I don't know anything about it. I know nothing about it. Which one is few hours? See me see trouble. What is this now?
I don't understand.
You don't understand what? I said I know nothing about it. You don't understand.
Mother, Mother, I strongly believe that Annabelle is behind this.
Really?
Yes, Mother. Mother, when I confronted her, she denied it vehemently. I am sure of what I am saying. Mother, I will deal with her if she does not set that innocent girl free.
What makes you think she is responsible?
Mother, the writing is boldly on the wall. Can't you see it?
What writing?
Nabike, even you. I don't get it. Why is everybody pointing accusing finger at me? Since when did I become a kidnapper? Please, though.
Annabelle, I'm asking you because this is getting out of hand. It's becoming serious. If you did it, just tell me the truth. Tell me where she is.
What is this now? Eh? My hands are clean, oh. I know nothing about this. Please, everybody should just let me be. I don't know anything about this thing. Even you. Here. Oh.
Father, please, I beg of you. Get Annabelle arrested. She is behind this evil.
Why do you accuse her? Do you have any evidence to tender before the law?
Father, the moment Ogechi was kidnapped, Annabelle disappeared into thin air and her phone went off.
Where is Annabelle now?
She came back yesterday evening.
Still, you don't have any concrete evidence against Annabelle. So, forget about arresting her.
Father, Annabelle threatened and confronted Ogechi last 2 weeks. She promised to deal with her if she does not keep off Prince Nabike. So, she should be arrested.
That is not enough evidence too. It's a controversial evidence. I might not stand before the law. Let her be. Hello, DPO. Please, I want you to send your boys to my palace and arrest somebody.
Please, can I talk to you for a minute, please?
DPO, please. I will get back to you in a while. What is your problem?
Father, please, I'm pleading. I want us to take it easy on this matter.
Why?
I strongly believe we can find out the culprits without involving the police. Maybe when we must have been tired and out of actions, then we can involve the police. But for now, I believe we can do it without the police, Father. We can.
Son.
Father.
Do you know the adage that says, a stitch in time saves 9?
Oh, yes, I know that, Father, and I strongly believe that everything is under control.
Mama. What is it? Okay. Some policemen came to the house and arrested Annabelle. Hey, Annabelle! Yes, as I speak, she's in the police custody. Hey! Mama. Annabelle, Mama, Annabelle, Mama, take it easy so you won't fall. Mama, take it easy.
Father, why would you people arrest an innocent girl? Why? Why?
I've known Annabelle for many years now. There's no way Annabelle will go as far as kidnapping someone. She's innocent.
Son, you are just a child. And you know nothing about the unstable nature of the humans.
Father.
Why do you vouch for her?
Father, I know Annabelle like the tip of my fingers. Annabelle will do no such thing. Well, I'm saying this because if you don't release her, I will make this palace unbearable for all of us.
Are you threatening me? The king of this kingdom? Have you gone nuts? Now, get out of my presence. I said get out!
Okay then, I will not only make this palace unbearable, I will make fire rain! This palace. Get out! Get out of my presence! Fool!
Look at him. Huh? Nabika.
Nabike! Is anything wrong with your head? Are you mad or you're trying to be mad? Huh? How dare you? How dare you threaten our father? Or are you indirectly telling us you know about the disappearance of Ogechi?
If you don't leave my presence now, I will do something you will regret. What nonsense are you talking about?
Really? Now you listen. Tell Annabelle to tell us where she is keeping that innocent girl. Even if she's dead, let us have her remain. Otherwise, she will rot in jail.
Get the hell out of my phone and stop challenging me. Are you out of your mind? Now listen and listen very good. Go and tell father I said if Annabelle is not released, be ready for my melodrama in this house.
Oh, melodrama.
Get the hell out of my phone.
Get out! Look at him. Can you imagine? Oh, Nabike, you are gradually digging your grave. Nabike!
I'm not working on the pie webbing on the chest. Now, see, Taki get put on the pie webbing on the chest.
I don't want to die, please.
Hey!
Oh, my princess, princess, tell them not to kill me. I don't want to.
You think I will allow you get married to my brother? Ogechi, just look at you. Poverty is written all over you. You are ugly, and you think I will allow you get married to my brother? You must be a fool! No! No! Okay! Okay! Get her! No! No!
It's unbelievable how a woman will attack her fellow woman just because of a man.
My dear, some girls can be so desperate.
Her desperation wouldn't have given her any results, even if she had succeeded taking you out of the way, because the tradition wouldn't have allowed her getting married to the prince.
That is why I said some girls can be desperate. Because desperation can kill thinking faculty.
Yes. But sister, do you know at a point I suspected the princess had a hand in your kidnap?
Princess?
Yes.
Why do you say so?
While you were missing, I had a bad dream. And in that dream, the princess held you captive and suddenly stabbed you to death.
I don't think so. That is not possible. Because the princess I know would not do such a thing. That was just a dream. Okay? Princess is a nice person. Okay?
Yeah, that's true. She's a nice person. And I pray God will continue to bless her for us. Amen.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, yes. We have rescued Miss Oge.
That's good. Beautiful.
Your Majesty, yes. The culprit, Miss Annabelle Ajemba, pleaded guilty. Good. And her accomplice is now in police custody, cooling her heels.
Thank you so much. That's a very good job. And I am happy for your diligent service.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you so much.
We are doing our job.
You will hear from me.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I will take my leave for now.
Like I said, you will hear from me. Thank you,
Your Majesty.
And greet your superior officer when you
I will do that, Your Majesty.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. I'm so sorry for what I made you go through. Please just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I promise I'll make it right. Okay?
My princess, I understand. It's not your fault at all. What happened to me could have happened to anyone else. I know you are doing this for our own good. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you too for your understanding. See, if you need anything, please don't hesitate to let me know. Meanwhile, just go home and freshen up, okay? First thing tomorrow morning, I will take you to the hospital for proper checkup in case if there's any internal injury, okay?
Thank you so much, my princess.
It's okay, really it's nothing. Good day. Oh, Chidima. Your princess. Call Okike, my darling. Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay? And you too. If you have any problem, don't hesitate to let me know. Okay? Thank you so much. Hey, Kenny.
Your Highness, my daughter has done what is evil. Please, show her mercy.
How could she? How could she kidnap her fellow woman because she wants to marry the prince? She has done a great evil. She's a disgrace to womanhood. Florence, your daughter has done what is bad, evil, before divinity and humanity. She must be severely punished.
Please, Your Highness, I'm even ashamed to speak before you for the atrocity my daughter committed. But please, temper justice with mercy. Please, to err is human, and to forgive is divine.
Get up. Get up, you are not the culprit. Get up.
Etiwe, she's my daughter. She's my daughter.
Get up.
Thank you, Igwe.
You can go.
I should go.
Let us go.
Thank you, Igwe. Thank you.
This woman. What a nice woman. But the daughter, a total opposite. An evil girl.
Grandma. This is not funny. Why would they let Annabelle go free for such crimes she committed now?
But she has already suffered in the hands of the police.
Don't you think she will still go after the prince? After everything.
No, Mbanana. With the way things are going now, I think their ways have parted.
But Grandma, Obi is such a good girl.
I know.
How I wish the prince will accept to marry her. Perfect.
Prince Nabike, I thought you said that your Annabelle was innocent of the crime. Can you see? Can you see the kind of woman you would have brought home as a wife? A criminal-minded fellow. Nabike, apart from the fact that you two cannot marry because of blood. So this would have been the kind of woman you would have made the next queen of this kingdom? So sad. And it's quite unfortunate.
Please, help me talk to Father. Please. Please, Mom. Please.
Get up, son. Get up. I don't think your father will accept this.
Mother, please, just talk to him. Convince him. If I don't marry Annabelle, I will hang myself. Seriously.
No. It will not get to that.
I am confused.
What
kind of love is this? Mama Biale, Papa Biale. You are my love, you are my love, you are my sweet. You are my
How could you, Your Majesty? How could you sit and watch evil prevail? Why would you allow sacrilege to take place in your palace? After all our efforts, you still allow them to get married?
Ogo, Eziogo. It is for the continuity of this royal dynasty. If my son, Nabike, commits suicide, then we have lost the dynasty. The kingship will leave this place. There is nothing again I can do.
Your Majesty, no matter your reasons, this is still a sacrilege.
Kaichubaja.
I am disappointed in you. And whatever you are doing, just count me off.
It's true.
Good day, Your Majesty. Good day, ma.
And where is your wife?
Come, Maid. Take her to the queen.
My queen.
My wife, how are you?
Very well, my queen.
I hope you're enjoying your stay here.
Oh, my queen. You can say that again. I'm having a sweat time, my queen.
I'm glad to hear that. Have you had lunch?
Yes, I did.
Was it delicious?
Oh my God, my queen. It was delicious. Quite delicious, my queen.
I'm happy. Well, I want you to feel very comfortable. This is home for you, okay?
You can say that again, my queen. This is home. Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome. Excuse me.
Okay, my queen. Yes. Did you hear that? She said, this is my home. Now follow me.
Don't let emotion control you. Jukwe sofuma, Malefica, Maraifiga, Jukwe sofuma, Maraifiga, Makano wa pelumpe, Amakifu wanye ginanya Imame gwego nishiya Owarenti noluwa
Get back.
Amakifu wanye ginanya
Oh my. Who do we have here? Oh,
Can I call you
stop
back?
moping. It's me, Annabelle. Flesh and blood. Are you surprised to see me? Oh, I know that feelings. It's me. Yes, it's me, Annabelle, flesh and blood. What is wrong with your princess? Anyways, I know that feeling. She's surprised to see me. I am here! Oh, I understand.
Of course. She's very happy. I'm very excited to be here.
Father! Mother! What is the meaning of what I just saw out there? Wait! I don't get it. Is Nabike now married to Annabelle?
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Calm down, my daughter. Calm down. We had to allow them get married so that Nnabike doesn't kill himself. If your brother kills himself, then our royal dynasty is closed forever. And I don't want that to happen. Please, bear with us.
No. Please, just try and see reason with us, okay?
Mother, Father, I am highly disappointed in both of you. I am out of here.
Come!
Take me out of here.
My princess, are we going back?
Are you normal? Are you normal?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Take me out of this place.
I'm sorry, my princess. My princess. This is gone, my princess. Where did you get it from?
If I hear a word from you, I will shoot you. Now run! Get out!
I am the princess of this. My princess, what are you doing? That is a gun. Please, chop it.
Annabelle. Okay, my friend. You see, my brother, the prince, has finally come back to his senses. So, I would like you to come to the palace to see him.
No, my princess.
No?
Yes, my princess. My princess. The prince knows what he wants. If he wants me to be his bride, he should come to me, not the other way round. My princess, I'm a woman. An African woman for that matter. My dignity is at stake. I came to the palace the other time because I thought everything was in place. With due respect, my princess, please, save my dignity.
It's okay. I understand. I am a woman like you. I'll take my leave.
Farewell, my princess.
Well done, my brilliant sister.
Well done for what?
You've proven that you have dignity. You can't be throwing yourself at the prince while he's in love with you. If he's interested in you, let him do the hunting himself. After all, it's men that hunt for ladies and not otherwise. See, sister, I'm very proud of you.
My sister. Yes. Thank you for standing by my side.
If I don't stand by your side, who will I stand by?
I know. Come here.
Annabelle, what have I done to deserve this shame from you? Annabelle, I begged you with the name of God to leave the prince alone. You both are not meant to be together. Annabelle, you're a beautiful girl, a graduate for that matter. Why are you disgracing yourself because of a man? Annabelle, Prince Nabidi can never, ever marry you. He will never be your husband. But I'm very, very sure your own husband will go. Annabelle, I don't want to see you anywhere close to him again. Otherwise, I will disown you.
Understand, Mama. Can't you see she's traumatized? Do you still want to continue this? Why don't you just take a U-turn and face reality?
Please understand her feelings. Understand her, please.
Why you done talking?
Yes, baby. What is it looking?
Can you tell me who was that guy I saw you with from campus today?
Campus today. Oh, that was Michael. Yeah, it's an old friend. Someone I met before meeting.
So, because he's an old friend, is that why you're cuddling up on him like that?
Baby, it's not like that. It's not what you think, okay? It's nothing intimate. We're just talking, nothing much.
That wasn't just talking. You guys cuddled up like, I don't know. What was that?
I'm sorry. It's not what you think.
Well, I don't think it's really needed, knowing full well that I've made my intentions clear to you to let go of this old friends and stuff, since I've told you I'm going to marry you. Or you think I'm not serious?
I know, but you know it's not gonna be easy for me to just let go of my friend. But whatever. I'll try. I will.
You'll
Anything
try.
for you, yes. I'll try my best. Okay. It's okay, baby. I said I will try. Okay, I will let go of him. It's okay. Okay? It's okay.
You okay? I'm fine now. I've forgotten about it like you said.
No, this is not about you. I'm worried. In fact, I'm confused.
Confused about what?
You see, I have been meaning to tell you, but I don't know how you would take this. There's someone that is asking for my hand in marriage and is already gone to my village to get the marriage list. Please, I don't want you to.
I don't understand you at all. But from everything I think it's clear to me that you don't really believe when I say that I'm going to marry you.
No.
Because if you do, why would you allow him go to your family to get a marriage list? It's confusing.
No, don't get it twisted. You know, I met this guy before I met you, and I agreed that I was going to get married to him. But sweetie, after I met you, everything changed, and I wouldn't want to lose you. Please don't take it seriously, okay?
So, what are we going to do now? Because the young man has gone to your family to collect a marriage list, like you said.
Baby, okay, for me to be on the safe side, so that I won't be on the losing end. I would want to lose you. I need something. Just give me something. Make me feel and believe that you'll be there for me. Like an assurance, so that I will not lose you.
Okay, fine. I will give you an assurance.
Thank you.
Mama warakwa waya makano bano boko muro ntichiya yejira se bafuago makana gobo awo onye ji ose we mafurago ifa fowela akakana mabe wadibia ifa chalobo awo yeah. Agwachagongi, Agwachagongi, Ebubisi, Agwachagongi, Agwachagongi.
Annabelle is not going to be fine, isn't it?
Mama.
What are you doing there?
I was doing something there.
Where is your sister? I've not seen her since morning.
Mama. Annabelle left in the morning with her bags.
What do you mean she left in the morning with her bags? To where?
I don't know. When I was asking her where she was going to, she didn't tell me. I don't know.
Where could she have gone to with her bags?
I don't know.
Annabelle yara pota kwano, eh? Annabelle yara pota mo. Hey. Ọkụkọ sịkwa ihe o ji eti mkpu abụrụkwa ka ihe ji ha ya na ọkwa ka ọha na eze nụrụ olu ya. Annabelle! Annabelle!
My princess.
Yes, mother.
Where is your brother?
Mother, I don't know. Maybe he should be in his quarters.
I have checked, but I did not see him.
Mother, seriously, I have no idea where he is.
Hey. Hi. Nabike. Nabike. Did any of you see my son?
No, Your Majesty.
What do you mean by that? Are you not supposed to be the watchdogs of this palace?
Sorry, Your Majesty. The prince left in the morning with his bags.
To where?
We wouldn't know, Your Majesty. We have no such right to question his movements.
I don't know what is going on. I have called his number severally, but it was switched off. I hope nothing has happened to my son. Oh. Huh. Huh.
That reminds me. What about Annabelle? I believe she must know the whereabouts of my son.
Yes, Father. Father, I have been trying her number, but it is switched off.
Switched off?
Yes, Mother. I even went to her house. I met her younger sister who told me that Annabelle left the house with her bags without telling anyone where she was going to. Imagine.
What is going on? What is happening?
Let it not be what I am thinking.
What else are you thinking, Father? Father, the message is crystal clear. They have eloped.
What?
Hey!
Hey!
Hey, Olas. Welcome. I have called you here. I invited you here because my only son, Ofumbolanya Jusuwo, Prince Nabike, is nowhere to be seen. He's no longer in this palace. I want you to bring him back home.
Your Majesty, worry not, and may you tell me what you seek of me, for there is nothing difficult before Ndiokuli.
Eye of the gods. My son left this palace without informing anybody. And from all indications, he eloped with a woman that he is not meant to marry. So, I want you to bring him back home. Without him, this throne is gone. Please.
Ndiokuli, oke mmọnwụ, ụkarị ọbụna agụ na-eti ite. Nnukwu mmọnwụ a na-atụ mmiri n'anya. Ojibolo gubulu ute. Your Majesty, put your worries behind. You are just his physical father and not his spiritual father. Ndiokuli, who is his spiritual father, knows his whereabouts, and they must surely bring him back to this throne. So put your worries behind, Your Majesty.
Thank you. Thank you, great Olas. Dahalo.
Ojije keneze, onaba kenekweze. May I take my leave, Your Majesty?
Dahalo. Oh. Oi!
baby. Annabelle. 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 What's going on? Huh? Were you dancing or you're doing exercise? If you want to do exercise, you go to the gym house, not on the floor.
Was I dancing? Are you serious?
Are you asking me like you don't know what you were doing? I don't understand you. Which one is you? What's going on with you?
I was here.
Uh-huh.
And I was watching. I don't know. I was all of a sudden I heard a melodious sound.
Melodious sound coming from where now? It's just a film. Where is the melodious sound coming from? Are you sure you're fine? What is wrong with you now? Babe! 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 Annabelle! 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 God of Jesus. God of Jesus. God of Jesus. Annabelle! Annabelle! Annabelle!
You people are it. Your presence has made the holiness of this ground unclean. You both are evil. Leave this place before the Holy Ghost fire strikes you. You are the cause of your problem. Leave!
Pastor, sorry, Prophet.
Leave this place at once!
The cunningness of a serpent makes it crawl on its belly. The fly that refuses to heed advice follows the corpse to the grave.
What do you mean, wise one?
You are evil. Your presence has defiled my shrine. Leave! Before you incur the wrath of Karusha. Leave! Leave!
Baby, there's something I've been thinking.
Okay. What could that be?
I think the blood oath that we engage in is the cause of this trouble. So I don't know. We should undo it. I'm sure it will stop all this trouble.
Why? Why do you want us to undo it?
Okay, I know you love me. I know you don't want to lose me. Baby, I am tired.
I really don't understand why you want us to undo it. Because the reason for the blood covenant was to show that we are deeply in love. And secondly, to, make us faithful.
Yes, I know you have a point, but... See, I know you love me.
I know you do not want to lose me, but I am tired. I am tired of this drama. I am tired of the troubles. Please, my love, let's undo this. It won't stop us from getting married. Please. Or if you love me, you will do it. Please.
I am confused, what kind of love is this? I am confused, what kind of love is this? Yeah. Mama biale, papa biale, vakane mekwa love. You are my love, you are my love, you are my sweet. You are my love, you are my love, you are my sweet. Vakane mekwa love. Don't mind it, okwa jealousy. Mama bia follow. Don't mind it, papa bia okwa jealousy. Fabola you jealousy. You are my love, you are my love, you are my sweet. You are my love, you are my love, you are my sweet. Don't mind it, okwa jealousy. Passing up on the jealousy. Don't mind it, okwa jealousy. You are my love, you are my love, you are my sweetie. You are my love, you are my love, you are my sweetie. Don't mind it, okwa jealousy.
Where have you been? What happened? Let's just go inside, don't mind me. Okay?
No.
What?
I don't feel like going inside. I don't know how I'm going to face our parents. I feel so ashamed.
No, I don't think so. Father and mother will be glad to see you. Come, let's go inside. Please.
No. I will be here instead.
Stay.
Are you sure you don't want to come inside?
No. Here will be fine.
Father, mother, Prisoner Abigail is back. He has refused to come inside.
Bring him in. Let him come inside. Anna, ask him in.
I'd say you should come inside. Please.
My son.
Father, please. Mother. I know I'm not worthy to be called your son again. I know I'm not worthy to be a member of this family. But please, find a place in your heart and forgive me. I've come to realize my mistakes. Please, Father.
It's alright, my son. Get up. Stand on your feet. You are still the heir apparent to this throne. No matter the circumstance. You're welcome back, my son. Come to your father. You're welcome back. Welcome on. Hey!
Mama, I hear that the prince is back. Okay. Here we can go. My sister is back! Hey!
Mama. I know I have offended you. Mama, please forgive me. I should have listened to you. Please. I know I have been a disgrace to this family. I know I have caused you so much pain. But please, I am still your doctor. Please, I promise I will not do it again. Find it in your heart to forgive me. I beg you. I will go.
Yes! Yes! Thank you, Mama. Come inside. Wait, Mama. Stay with me.
You see, I never for once believed that you are going to be this sweet. Seriously.
Thank you.
I've been blind all this while.
Thank you, my friend.
Ogechi. Greetings, my princess. Greetings to you. How are you? I'm fine, my princess. Wow.
Brother,
Sister.
I can see you guys are really getting along.
Oh yes. She is the bone of my bone. So now I've finally realized that all those things you said about her were real and, you know, she's a sweet personality.
I told you that Ogechi is a good girl from a good home.
Yes, sir. It's as a matter of fact, I've gone to make my intentions known to her people. So,
really?
Very soon, she will be addressed as Mrs. Ogechi Denike.
I can't wait. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
Thank you, my princess.
Our parents upstairs?
Yes.
Okay, because I would love to introduce her to them. They would love to see her.
But before that, I would like to go into a little gossip.
No, I would do that myself. No, sister.
Don't worry.
I would do that
What do you want? What are you fighting for? Tell me what you want. What are you fighting for? But it's clear nobody wants this. But it's clear nobody wants this. This is courage, yo. Man, I got no one there, no one. If I don't let emotion control you. Don't let emotion control you. Man, I got no one there, no one. Man, I got no one there. Don't let emotion control you. Chukwe sofuma, chukwe sofuma, chukwe sofuma. Malefiga, malefiga, malefiga. Chukwe sofuma, chukwe sofuma, chukwe sofuma. Malefiga, malefiga, malefiga.